We all know about endangered animals. We all know how to help endangered animals. But do we do anything about it? No, we don't. But why don't we do anything about it? Why do you ask? I'm going to tell you why.
Because humans are lazy. We are so lazy that we can't put our rubbish in the bin. Instead, we are dropping it on purpose on the ground. We are so lazy that we can't help the environment to be better and healthier. We are so lazy that we can't help animals have better lives.
We are so lazy that we can't find another planet in case our planet dies. We are so lazy that we can't say sorry to the people and animals that we've hurt.
But can we do anything to help? Of course we can, but humans are so lazy that they don't. I can tell you a million facts about endangered animals and how can to help them. You will print you can and do you really? You mean say yes, but how can you are not helping?
There are too many can'ts and not enough cans. There are too many don'ts and not enough do's. There are too many no's and not enough yeses. If you have 1% of respect or kindness, you'll do something about this global crisis. These are the top 5 endangered animals that we've been researching.
Mexican wolf. Mexican wolves are one of the most endangered animals. They are mostly referred to as lobo. The Mexican wolf is green with light brown from on its back. The Mexican wolves have long legs and a thick body, which makes them run very fast. The Mexican wolf has an amazing safe smell, but traveling in pet parks, the Mexican wolf is safe. But there are only 300 left in the world, most because of habitat loss and no food, because humans are hunting for their food and also for them. The Mexican wolf's habits are molting and frogs. They eat long and small managed to survive.
The blue and yellow macaw. The blue and yellow macaws are often called the blue and gold macaw. In the wild, the macaws help forest growth by dropping seeds they are eating on the ground. Then they spread the seed throughout the forest. They live up to 80 years old. The habitat of the blue and yellow macaws are in the rainforest in South America, mostly in warmer places. The blue and yellow macaw have habitat loss because deforestation and capture from the wild for pet trades. There aren't many left of the blue and yellow macaw, only 302 left in the wild.
Why are brown spider monkeys endangered? There are many reasons why the brown spider monkeys are endangered. One of them is habitat loss. Habitat destruction destroys the tall trees which they have for their food and habitat. These species may be extinct in the wild within 20 years as there are less than 30 left in the world.
Northern white rhinos. Did you know the northern white rhinos are extinct in the wild? There are only 3 left in a zoo in Czech Republic. There's only 1 male and 2 females left. The male is 49 years old, and the average lifespan of a northern white rhino is 40 to 50 years old, meaning it only has 1 chance left to breed and have a male son. As each passes, it might be the last time people ever get to see northern white rhinos.
Siamese crocodiles. The Siamese crocodile is native to parts of Southeast Asia and are now critically endangered, almost extinct. They are extinct in the wild, and there are only 3 left that are being protected and cared for in captivity. All 3 Siamese crocodiles are females, 2 adults and 1 baby. They are critically endangered because people are destroying their habitat for farming, which affects the crocodiles because of the increase of cattle, pesticides, and chemical fertilizers that damage the clean water. Possibly in 10 to 20 years or less, all Siamese crocodiles will be extinct.
Imagine if you had something to do with an endangered species be extinct. But what can we do to stop it? How can we help? How can you help? Good question.
You can make a big difference by donating money to zoos and animal centres. A little bit of money can make a huge difference. Help us save our species and do something about it. Something small can be turned into something big. Do something about this crisis.
Don't just do something that's bad for you, like watching TV all day, watching screens, sitting around. Volunteer to help at animal shelters or more. Don't forget the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. This can help many animals in the world from being endangered.
Imagine if an endangered species that was critically endangered was now not endangered, all because of you making a difference. There were endangered species such as the American alligator, whooping cranes, the bald eagle and the peregrine falcon, the grizzly bear, the American grey wolf, the eastern red wolf, and the California condor waddles back. But thanks to the people who made a difference, they aren't endangered anymore.
People have made a big difference in helping the environment and endangered species. So why can't you? Endangered species can stop now. We just need your help. After all, we humans are responsible for everything.
Help us save our world and our species. Make a change.